Channel. If you are new here, I thank you so much for being here. If you just go ahead and look around, see if you like it here, then go ahead and consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. I do a lot on this channel. I do hauls, I do reviews, I do vlogs, I do some of everything basically. You will definitely love it here. And if my channel is somewhere you would like to be, continue watching. So today I am installing this wig, you guys. I installed this wig, this look, this makeup look. If this is something that you like, you can continue to watch this video. I basically went with like neutral colors. I mean, they are like high in pigment. A skin tone that is like mellows all together and stuff. And because it's spring, almost summer, and I just wanted to be like a laid back day, and I wanted to feel laid back. That's why I chose these colors. These are like a lot of different shades of nudes, a lot of different shades of like high tones in my cheekbones, and I just wanted to go with a different look today. This wig I did purchase from Amazon. I will have all of the information in the description box down below, you guys. This wig you can actually put behind your ear. You can put behind your ear. You know how some people like it one-sided behind the ear and one side left out. But with me, because I'm like that, I would like wear it like this also. Put more mousse on it, of course, and go about my way. It's different ways you can wear this wig, and I love that. It's like versatile. You know, I can either wear it over my ears or behind my ears. One-sided, cover with my ears on one side, left behind my ears, or one side over my ears. So it's really cute. I love this. This bang is really cute. It's cut to perfection in my eyes, because most of the times I do usually get like a synthetic wig, and the wig is actually cut wrong. It's either cut like going like sideways, or it's just where it's like just cut where they're trying to feather it out, and I don't like that. I like a blunt cut in my bangs, and this is so cute. I thought this was really, really cute, you guys. Like I said, all the information will be down in the description box down below. This is a summery spring type wig, and I love this. Like I said, it's very versatile. They did cut it just right, so while it's behind your ears, piece of the bang is a little bit longer than the rest of it, and it does cover up your, and that's something that I always love about this wig, y'all. And I was like, oh my god, I need to do a review on this wig. And yeah, so I'm loving everything about this wig. You guys, like I said, all of the information will be down in the description box down below. You can see it from the side how cute that is. Like, it's really cute. It's really, really, really cute. And yeah, so if this wig is something you're rocking, you liking, and you would just like to see more of how I install the wig, continue watching. It's so cute. Yeah, I just love how it's just something different, y'all. Something different. Okay, y'all. Stay tuned.